Good morning, Thailand. It's about 7:30. Trying to find a good breakfast shop. It feels like Thailand is a lot busier than Taichung. I don't know. And the streets are, or the roads are wider. So, yeah. Okay, let me just try to find some food first. I'll just walk around. And we're back out again. So we just had a breakfast earlier, fishball soup, um, giniling, ano bang tawag nila doon? Braised pork over rice and Taiwanese sausage and some tofu, and that's about 90 NTD. Okay, so I just got out of my hostel. These bikes over here, amazing. You can borrow them, no need to pay. And right now, what I want to do is just to walk. It's about 3 kilometers from here. Just want to walk going to the old Anting Fort. So this is, wow, okay, this phone is giving. This is the Anting Canal, like I said. That is my hostel over there. So you can actually run for several kilometers going to the what do you call this, the beach from here. Astig, no? All right, let's go and walk. Now I could have used the bike from yesterday, pero I thought, hassle, papark mo, and nakakapagod din siya. Pag napagod ka, you can't just like stop and sit. You have to take care of your bike. So we're just gonna walk for a few kilometers. Maybe this will take an hour. But the good thing is, nice, huh? But the good thing is, Tainan is very much walkable and bikeable. So let's go. Oh, bili muna tayo ng tea. Medyo matagal yung service nila, so just decided to move forward. This is Taiwan. There's no shortage of tea shops here. It's just brewings. We're gonna get to sleep. Hey guys, so welcome to the Chicken Tower. Um, like, I'm not quite sure what this is about. I just saw it on the map, so I went in. Entrance is 70, and oh, you can see the kois. Hindi nyo nakita. Naka-off pala yung So, this is 10 NTP. Naubos ko na. I fed it all to them. Okay, guys, we're back here at the Anting Old Street area, and I see that people are in the what's this Port Zealandia. So we're gonna try to get in again. I think sobrang aga lang talaga kanina. Kaya when I came here, all of the gates were closed. I mean, I did walk around the perimeter and walang open na gate. So let's try this again. Okay, it's 70 NT for regular and 35 for students with valid ID. Grace, ang ganda. Dami pang cherry blossom. Woo! Nice. Thank you, Tainan, for letting me see cherry blossoms this year. Alright, let's go back to the hospital.